Aloha. You're watching Top Tech Talent Reemployment Project. I'm Peter. Now, if you've been looking for a job like I have over the last couple of months, one of the things you've probably seen is making sure that your resume is ATS compliant. Now, an ATS resume is a resume that's optimized to be processed by an applicant tracking system. That's the ATS. ATSs are software programs that help companies manage their hiring process by reviewing applications more quickly. An ATS resume is designed to make it easy for the ATS to match a candidate's skills and experience with the job requirements. So what I'm going to do is I had my resume professionally done about a year and a half ago after getting let go from F5. And then I had it redone just a couple of months ago when I got laid off by Cradle Point Ericsson. And I have been applying for some jobs, but I just thought, hey, let's do this together. Maybe you can follow along with yourself. I picked a few of the top rated ATS checking systems. So let's give it a go. Now, the first one here is JobScan. Now, this is definitely one that is recommended at the top of the list. So you can either get a free score, upload your resume to get started, a power resume checker. So let's go for it. And right here, let's do that one. And let's just see. So paste the job description below. So I'm going to grab one that I actually just got applied for today. So let's put this all in, copy. You're not seeing it because it's just not on the screen. We're back here again. Okay, key responsibilities. Let's see what comes out. Oh, always decline. Okay. See, I told you I'm doing this from scratch. Is that 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, even better. Create account. So we're scanning it now. Now I realize I'm probably going to have to create an account or at least put in my email on some of these other sites. Okay. Still scanning. Still scanning. Still scanning. I guess it takes a little time. Let's do another one while we're waiting. We'll do another one because, oh, here we go. Searchability. So I got 5 issues to fix. Adding this job's company name and web address can help us provide you, ATS specific tips. Okay. So pretty good. Job title found in the description was not found in your resume. Okay, this is the pieces that I'm kind of confused by. So this is product marketing job. I definitely have product marketing in my resume. So that's kind of weird. You're using a text resume, ATS compatible PDF. So I think you saw I did upload a PDF. Now that's one of the things that's kind of interesting with some of these sites is that, they're not quite up to par, especially some of these free ones, but it does tell you sort of the skills comparison. So I don't have sales enablement, accounting, cross-functional leadership, account-based marketing, anything like that on my resume, but it does match up. Marketing, resume, job description. product marketing. So this is one of the things product marketing shows up, but here. But it also tells me I could probably add things like problem solving skills, communication skills, think strategically, even though I think I have those in there. Okay, you got to buy those to upgrade hard skills. All right, we'll come back to that another time. Now let's try resumeworded.com. Let's choose a PDF again. And so senior level best describes me. Choose. All right. Mentorship. Sign up with email. Just going to use the same for all these. Okay. Loading resume, parsing resume, course sections, other experiences, length. 70 out of 100. Okay. Well, these are from, professionally done. We'll show you how to fix it. Okay. I'm ready to fix it. Improving bullet points. Okay. Your bullet points will increase your score. All right. I can generate suggestions after, but we click in here, top resumes, your score is benchmarked against 1 million resumes. The higher score, more interviews you'd likely get. So there it is. So buzzwords and cliches, remove vague buzzwords, which add value. Okay, fair enough. Might be some of these in here, which are some of the ones that's funny, like go-to-market strategy might be a buzzword or a cliche, but I added that because another job had that in the description. So I updated the resume to match that job. But now here, this thing tells me it might be a cliche, but we'll get into it after. Weak action verbs, filler words found. Okay. So page layout looks good. Good punctuation, good verb tenses. What are those buzzwords anyway? Contain, look at a thought leader, proven track record, adept too. All right. Well, I can fix those before with a highly motivated individual with strong leadership. Oh, proven track record, thought leader, adept at, manage a 5-member cross-functional. Okay. I can add all those. Not bad. Good feedback. How about this one? This is LiveCareer. This one gets a 74. Okay. Reviewed your resume, suggested the complete list. Make sure you have everything. I don't have any typos. Okay. So what does fix mean on LiveCareer? Oh, I don't think do I? Don't. Whoa. So now this one, LiveCareer, takes me into all my work history. Oh, it just sort of, okay. Resume complete work history. 1, 2. Okay. I'm going to have to go through this and, rearrange those. Next is education. I got my education on there. Next. I got a bachelor's. Skills. Next. Expert sales presentations. Oh, okay. Text editor. Skills 3. So I can go in there and maybe fix that up. Okay. summary. Next. So then I can go in now and it gives me some examples of what I can update, which I can go through and figure that out. And then this last one, your resume here or upload file by dragging and click instantly. Oh, come on. Where's the, there we go. Not that one. Okay. And then I think this is the job description is still in there. My CV against the job. And again, I did this earlier, like found in the product, in the job description, 10 times marketing is in there. 8 times sales, 2 times strategy, but apparently none in my CV. So let me just do this real quick. I'm just going to copy it all. Copy, paste. Let's check again. Oh, look at that. It didn't take when I uploaded the file, but it did when I checked it against the copy and paste. So title and degree matches, technical skills at 42%, 16 to 38. So now it's in there, but I got to maybe add sales operations. I got product marketing, marketing strategy. So just so many different ways and pieces to kind of help you get an idea. So, it's actually advisable for every single job application that you would do an exercise like this just to match up, making sure you got all the keywords that's in the job description. And that's literally, it's these systems that are picking and then flicking the good ones out to get reviewed by a human. So there you have it, a couple of the various ATS checkers out there. I'm going to keep those open now because I think I can do some work this afternoon on my resume, and I'll probably start really doing a little more of this as we move forward. I hope that was helpful. You can obviously do this for your own resume. I'm kind of surprised because I had these professional services do the resume writing that was supposed to be ATS compliant. But I guess for each situation, you're going to have to go in and specifically make sure that you have all the keywords to then get you past that input device. Yeah, the words ain't coming to me, and I want to wrap this up anyways. So I hope that was helpful, enjoyable, educational. If you like content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. You can get more either up here or up here, wherever I put the playlists for you to check out. Really appreciate you watching. I'm Peter. I'm looking for a job. This is Top Tech Talent Reemployment Project. Thanks for watching. Aloha.